Hello viewers, this is Dr. Shailesh Kumar. Today in our Ask Doctor series, we'll try to see the answer to our questions, the patients who has asked questions in our YouTube video. So So one of the patient regarding the varicocele treatment, he is saying grade 3 varicocele, how to remove naturally, no child. So he has no children and he want to remove the varicocele naturally and he is suffering with a grade 3. So no child means there is a problem with your semen, sperms, or there is a problem in the wife side. So if there are no child, so your semen analysis need to be done. And if there is effect on your sperm, like whether it's quantity or quality, morphology or motility, if there is affected, then probably the varicocele is one of the reason for the sperm affected, because varicocele is one of the most common reason for primary infertility as well as the secondary infertility. So if you are not having kids, then and you are suffering, because you are suffering, so this can be the reason for your infertility. So I suggest you to treat this varicocele so that your chances of becoming father, the chances of improving your sperm's quality and quantity should improve. So naturally, yes, the varicocele, we do give medications for the varicocele in the grade 1 and grade 2. But if the sperms are already affected, if the testosterone levels are going down, or you are having erectile dysfunction or sexual effects, then it is better like you combine the natural treatment as well as take the definitive treatment, because sometimes what happen when we try to give the natural remedies, in that delay you lose a lot of time, because this natural way of treatment takes a lot of time, like 3 months, 6 months or 1 year also. And during that time, if the varicocele is continuing and there is no improvement in the varicocele, then it can even further affects the sperm's quality and quantity, and you can have more deterioration of the sperms. So I would suggest, because we are in your particular case, we are looking for the kids and the sperms count to be improved, so we don't want to waste our time on the natural. I would suggest you to go for a definitive treatment like varicocele embolization or varicocele microsurgery. Along with you can definitely try the natural, because there are no effects and side effects with this natural. So definitely you can try the natural. There is my detailed video on the natural way of reduction of varicocele, and some of them are like keeping the local environment cool, wearing cotton clothes which are breathable. Don't try to wear many layers. Try to avoid the jean clothes. If you find when you go to bathroom or restroom, try to use the cold water around the testes, so that the local temperature will reduce. In your diet, you should eat the food which will reduce the body temperature, like drink lot of water. Try to avoid the food which increases or raises the body temperature, like more of masalas, non-veg, oily food. These you should reduce in your, and more of vegetables and fresh fruits and lot of water. This is what you should encourage in your diet. And also try to reduce the number, if you are frequently consuming the coffee or tea, that also you should consume, because this will raise the body temperature and blood circulation in the blood gets pulled into the testis. So there is proper detailed video on how to reduce the varicocele naturally, so you can watch that as well. And I hope that I solved your doubt and questions regarding the varicocele. If you have any more questions, please put them in the comment box. I'll be happy to read them and answer them in our next video. Thank you.